What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and beasts of all ages, shapes, and sizes? Welcome to some funny weather fails by Fail Army, coming in clutch with the good old-fashioned hilariousness and a very, very wet-fitting giggity, as it's raining outside like a mofo right now, and literally a thunder strike just happened so freaking loud that Thor himself would have earaches. But guys, you already know the deal. Link in the description down below to Fail Army. We about to kill it right now. I have delicious, tasty breakfast. So as we watch this together, chow down. Cheers.
I'm here at Barry Island Beach, and there's no sign of
Yeah, yeet. You got it, kid. Let's go, kid. There you go. Yep. Yep. Congratulations. You did it. You failed. Bruh. Oh, no. Don't. No, yep. You see, that's what happens right there. Congratulations. Oh, get that win. Get it, son. Yeah. Yeah, take. Oh, oh damn. Like, give me that muff. Yep, that's today right there. That is today.
Honestly, it's right over me head a second.
Holy shit. Yeah, exactly. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, he hurt. He's hurt, ladies and gentlemen. He got that wobble hop. Yep. He's like, nope, F this thing. I'm out, boys. See ya. I'm gone. See you later, boys. I'm out. Bro, I've never had wind that strong. Oh. Oh, no, baby, no. Oh, man. Oh, no. No.
What a sick suit, man.
God dang. Mother Nature be on that bobo. I've seen this when this dude falls for like, yep. Yep, that did so much. Yep. Congratulations.
Про это и тренинг.
When you try your best and you don't succeed. Oh my god. What a dick move. Come on, bro. Don't do him like that. Puppers. Get puppies.
Okay, go get it.
Oh, that's a dick move. Oh. 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 This. Oh. Oh, you ain't gotta do puppers like that. Oh, dang.
And right down here is the penis of snow my wife found. What is that again, honey? Is that a snow penis?
It looks like to me.
Well, let's just say it's been a long time since old Father Time and Mother Nature got it. So, you know, Mother Nature had to let Father Time know, hey, look, this is what's on my mind. Anyway. Yep. Yep. Oh, God. Bruh, that's what.
Oh my god.
I don't drive during snow, y'all. That's why. You stupid. What the hell? Why do you hate yourself? Yep. That's right there. Fluffy. Fluffy, what are you doing? Fluffy. Fluffy, no. Don't do this. It's gotta come through. Fluffy, please. Oh, damn. Oh, Fluffy.
It snowed. Oh, I know.
I know why.
Oh.
Go away, Joe.
I know. It's terrible, isn't it?
Go away.
Go away.
It's so cute. Oh, dang. Oh. Yep. It's gonna take 10 minutes to fall. Will you try your best till you don't succeed?
Oh shit, that's a person.
Oh, snap! Hey! Yo, this dude's trying to get it. This lady's trying to get it, man. Let's go. Well, look at that. She don't give a damn. Like, I'm gonna get to my 5 a.m. meeting. I'm gonna get to my brunch. Yo, they waterboarded. That's lit. It's not lit anymore. Yep, and she's gone. And they're out. And there she goes. We never see her again. Bruh. You know what? That's the quickest trash collection I've ever seen. Just have the garbage truck at the end of that. Brains juice. Yep. That's hobby. Oh, damn. Nope. Should have had the parking brake on. They're trying to stop a truck. You ain't Superman. What the hell you doing? This mofo right here. Look at that. We got Superman number 2 over here trying to stop. Look at that. Alright, if it's taking 5 dudes to hold a car, you think it's gonna take 2 dudes to hold a big truck? Why you always lying? Like. Oh my god, her face broke the ice.
Look what you made.
Bruh. You gotta note that. Fall. Break your legs. Yep. Oh god. Oh, she's dead. Nope, it's over. It's gone. Oh, it's not over yet. There we go. Bruh. Oh my god, bruh. Dude.
Go.
Kitty. Oh, good puppers. Oh. Oh. Remember, every puppo is greatest puppo, and this is why. Oh. There we go again. Puppers. Oh, puppy. Puppers. Oh my god. Yo, storm chasers have to be the most insane mofos on earth, bro.
We should just let it go. Oh no? We're gonna have to let it go. We gotta let it go, guys. Back up! Turn into the wind, let it go.
Oh, yep.
Oh, boy.
Yep, that's why. Man, F that storm chasing crap. I don't want to live, K, thanks.
You guys okay? Yeah. Everybody okay? That's it? Just the mirror and this? Not a scratch!
Not a scratch! Oh my god! Bro, what the? No, bro!
Holy shit!
Bro!
Holy shit!
Nah, bro, you can't do it. Nope. Oh my god, bruh. Ain't no way. Bruh, turn it the other way to get the water in the fire. Bruh, ain't no way, dude.
Oh shit! Oh, I hope it don't flood the freaking engine!
Oh my, bruh, that was literally me trying to get breakfast this morning, right there. Oh my god.
Oh, this is so stupid. I flooded the engine.
This man flooded the engine. God. Whew, that's gonna do it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. It is a rainy day outside, man. It is raining, it is storming. Mother Nature is like, you know what? F this. All y'all gonna get some today. Every last one of you. But guys, that's gonna do it for this little video. Link in the description down below. To Fail Army, the funniest fails channel in the history of failness juice. Because you like the video, take your beast mode claws of awesomeness juice, slash that like button. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and beasts of all ages, shapes, and sizes, love, peace, above all. Stay beast mode for the epic win of all the wins.